Okay, I've split this sea grape log in half. I decided to put it out here in the sun. Obviously I split this a little thinner than that. I mean, if you look at that and look at that, you can see they're quite a bit different. And here's the inside. Let's see how that is. Can you even see it? Yeah. So the inside is slightly orange and mostly light colored. The outside was pretty red. It's been outdoors for several months now, a couple months, and I decided to split this long ways, and then I'm gonna probably make a bowl that's centered in here somewhere, and in here somewhere. I don't know exactly yet, but I'll fool with it and get some answer. Okay, I'm gonna cut this down. That's set to 5.5 inches radius, so you can see it's going to cut some off. So I might have a bowl worth of wood out here, but most of the rest of this is going to be pretty small. In any case, I'm going to go pretty quick here. Okay, I've got my new piece of sea grape, and there's some dips in here that are going to make it so it can't be a very deep bowl. So I've got the woodworm screw and a recess for this to bear against. So I think we're ready to go. I just got to crank this on here. Okay, there we go. So this is the top, this is the bottom. Most of the bark's coming off. This piece, there's a little bit of it still hanging on, but it'll probably all be gone by the time I get done. We'll see. It's coming off fairly easy, and I don't want to go to the effort of trying to make it stick, especially since most of this is bare wood now, and it has this thing where it turns darker and darker, and the bark doesn't do that. The bark wouldn't be as interesting. So, but you can see how light it is here and how red or orange it is over here. Well, I'm still not halfway around. This surface, if I made this the bearing surface of the bottom, it would touch here all the way around to here. But I think it's more than halfway, but not far enough yet. I've got to take another 1/4 inch off to get down to this surface at least. That'll close this up by that much. So I've got to go a little bit further. Okay, I'm down more than halfway, so there'll be this unsupported section right here, but it'll be touching here and here all the way around. There are little gaps here and there, but overall I think it'll look good. Now I've got to figure out, I've got to take away some more of this. We'll see. Okay, I think I've got the basic shape for the back. I'm going to leave all these features here, and this gap here, under the natural edge. I'm not going to leave any live edges, very little dark. Branch here, more down. There's some more bark that I need to pick off. But you can see it's got, there's what it looks like. And you can see I've got a pretty significant step right there, so I got to machine this down. You can see the difference. The pencil mark there shows over here. It's basically right at the edge. And there, it's a half an inch in. So, okay. That was stupid. I don't know if I had that on film or not. I didn't use the tail stock to hold this in place, and I hadn't flipped my mask back down, so I got hit in the face by this. Not too hard, but it could have been much worse. I guess I got a ding there. So, yeah, pay attention to what you're doing, boy. Okay, here is my sea grape platter. It's about 12 inches across and 2.5 inches high. This is the first time I've turned one up in a while in my final video. So you can see my wooden nickel there that labels it. You can see some natural edge there, and it turned out pretty nice. I put a coat of finish on this pretty quickly after I shaped it, so it didn't turn as orange as some of my other sea grape turnings have. You can see this had a lot of wood branches coming out of it, and so it has a lot of features in the surface. And there you can see the center of a branch there. And so it turned out really nice. I do like it. Now, because I turned this wood a little bit green, and I let this got curved, so it's touching on two edges on the bottom. It's got a curve to it, and so when you set it on the table, it rocks a little bit. It turned out. I did have one problem. It came off the lathe, but of course I wasn't videoing it when I did that, and coincidentally I had my mask flipped up, so I got bonked on the nose. It wasn't anything serious, but it could have been. Basically, it climbed up the tool rest and then bumped the light and flung out and hit me. So, in any case, you've got to be more careful. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.